For
A very good evening, everyone. People know me by the name of Anjali Jha. Today I am discussing about how important is the mental health for students, not for only for the students, for all human beings. So it is a very challenges face which we are facing nowadays. So if you guys are listen to me fruitfully, then you will know how I want to, what I want to deliver to you, and just listen me calmly. Okay, so I'm just giving you how important is the mental health for mental challenges the students are facing nowadays. First is overthink. 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 If you think too much about any topic, like about your future, about your career, about your life, so you just more trapped in it. I'm just giving you one story. Not it's a story. It is a kind of. It is happened with my students. As you know, guys, I am working as a teacher right now, and when I was joined my school, and after some day, when I take my class, there was a child. Her name is Kajal, and she was very intelligent. She has a lot of knowledge about maths as well for all subjects, but she was brilliant in maths at that time. But when I was take her test, and she got only 5 out of 20 marks, and because she was lost in at that time. So when I was taking a class, she was doing some worried things, like weird things, like she was playing with her hand. She was playing with erasers, sharpeners, and at that time, I observed it many times, and even I scolded on her many times. But she's still doing same things. So during that class, I told her, please Kajal, meet me personally after completing this class. When I was completing my class, and I went to my staff room, and after some time she came to me, and she was sitting in front of me, and guys, you saw she was she was hold my hand. She was just hold my hand in a very weird way, and she was playing with my hand as well at that time, and I felt shocked at that time what she was doing right now. And after some time, she was suddenly started to cry, and yeah, if someone is crying in front of me, I got emotional. It's my, maybe it's my weakness right now. So I was just I got emotional at that time, and she was too much crying. And after some time, she said to me, ma'am, ma'am, a few days ago, my friend, who is my best friend, who is my closest friend, he is my closest friend, and he passed away. Because of his death, I lost myself, and it's not a story, guys. It's happened with my students, and she was in grade 8, and right now I'm telling you, I feel goosebumps right now. And so at that time I feel shocked, and I was just I was just giving her a pledge, like kind of, don't think too much, just accept it and just move forward. And I consoled him and very times, and she was doing weird things at that days. And after some time, she gave me a tightly hug, and she caught my hand, and she was telling, ma'am, I'm suffering from it, and my parents are working, that's why they did not give me a proper time for me, that's why I'm facing a lot. And so, guys, apart from Kajal's story, if we think too much about any topic, we just trap on it. So don't think too much. Apart from overthink, that we are facing nowadays, the students are facing nowadays, that is financial problem. Financial problem. I'm just giving my example. When I was in grade 12, I wanted to become an engineer, but at that time I don't have money for doing engineer, even taking classes for engineering. So I just, at that time, I just forget about that thing, and just taking admission on another in another classes, and I have just prepared for BSc course. It's not a big deal, but yeah, at that time, because of money. So nowadays students are also facing a lot of challenges because of financial problem. And the third thing which we face, social judgments. If we think too much about, if we wear a short dress, people will judge you. If you got a government job, people judge you by how could it possible and all. So social judgments is a main problem nowadays which we are facing. And the fourth is academic pressures from colleges, from schools. They gave a lot of works. As I am also also teacher. I am also giving a lot of works. Nowadays it's a summer vacation time. I also gave a lot of works for holidays. Like you have to go with some stationery shop. You have to tell about something. How could it possible to work there? So I gave a lot of works to my students as well. So academic pressures, it's become an anxiety disorders for students as well. So that's all about my topic. Maybe you guys understand what I want to share with you. So that's all about it.